Hey everyone, in this section we will see how the unboxed MacBook Pro looks like. MacBook Pro, let's see what came in the box. So it was some package and some manuals and Apple stickers with power adapter of USB-C and a power cable of USB-C. So these only two things came in the box. Let's see the laptop. So this is your laptop. So from the front end it looks like this, and from the back end it looks like this. This is 13 inches MacBook Pro. It comes with two Thunderbolt ports. You can also call them USB 4 ports. At least that's what it displays on the box, and nothing on front side other than to lift the screen up. And on the right hand side we only have 3.5 mm headphone jack, and the back end we have like 4 rubber ports just to make the grip on the surface. So this is how it looks from when it is turned on. As you can see, this is a, what do you call it, touch bar. These are the speakers from here side. This is how the keyboard looks like. Sometimes it matters to people what size of the shift key is here. So this is the touch bar, and if you want to, let's just say, increase or decrease the brightness, I can do so like this. So this is the touch bar, and let me increase or decrease the volume here, as you can see. So this is very fantastic touch bar. And on the right hand side we have touchID, Wi-Fi, of course, Bluetooth 5, FaceTime, HD. So this is HD, and as you can see there is no shutter. So this is 13 inches MacBook Pro with Apple M1 chip. It comes with 8 GB of unified memory, which is, you can call it as RAM, 256 GB SSD, 8 core CPU, 8 core GPU, and it comes with True Tone. The maximum resolution of the screen is 2560 by 1600 pixels, which means it is more than HD but less than 4K. Where is my HDMI? So you have to buy USB-C to HDMI, USB-A, micro SD and SD card reader, this as separate. So that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for taking some time to watch it. I hope that you will be benefited from this information. I would love to see you again. Have a good day. Bye.